The free web is a great source of information, but what are you missing that others have access to? Vast libraries containing the web's most useful information are locked away behind subscription barriers. This premium and subscription information is invisible to most search engines. Users that do find premium links are asked for payment before access is granted. For many people, this information may only be needed one time, so subscribing may not be an option. But now, for the first time, there is a solution. Using patented technology, Kangoo has introduced the NetPass toolbar. The NetPass toolbar is the only toolbar that provides free, introductory access to information that typically costs hundreds of dollars a month. The NetPass is a completely free service provided in partnership with the web's most respected publishers. Simply download and activate the NetPass, access content from Kangoo's search results, or go straight to the participating websites. Using patented one-click registration, use the NetPass to gain instant, free access to the web's most valuable content. Kangoo NetPass. Unlock the premium web.